Hey foodies, Chef Pete has got a boneless half leg of lamb today, and we're gonna do this boneless leg of lamb in the slow cooker over here. So get yourself a couple of cups of stock, of water, whatever on the bottom, then place your boneless leg of lamb right in. And the first thing you want to do is get olive oil on top of it, just like I'm doing. See that? Look how beautiful that is. And then we want rosemary. I'm using cracked rosemary. You can use fresh rosemary. I'm using Turkish cracked rosemary today. And there's our rosemary. Absolutely beautiful. And then we want some garlic. So I'm going to give it a healthy dose of garlic, just like this. Healthy dose. Okay? And then some oregano right on top, just like that. So now you've got your flavors layered. And then some pepper and a little bit of salt, just like that. That's all we need. And we're going to close this lid and cook this on high for about 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours. And at 4 hours, check it to make sure that it might be nice and tender then, if not at 5, but high to 5 to 6 hours, and you make sure that it's nice and tasty. And then all you have to do is close the lid and turn it on. I have it going already. So there we have it. Watch the shorts later, and we'll show you how this looks on the plate with our leg of lamb boneless feast we're making today in the slow cooker. So this is Peter Carpizzo's. Don't forget to watch the shorts, watch the longs and shorts, and longs and shorts, okay? So this is Peter Carpizzo's. We love you all. Out.